Hi everybody, this is Christy Joby. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about one of the most famous puzzles in the world, a Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle invented by Erno Rubik in 1974. It was originally called the Magic Cube. In 1980, the Rubik's Cube won the German Game of the Year Special Award for the best puzzles. Erno Rubik was a Hungarian inventor, architect, and a professor of architecture. He is best known for his mechanical puzzles such as the Rubik's Cube. He created the cube to illustrate spatial relationships in 3D for his students. He invented the cube as a teaching aid and to learn something from it. After he invented the Rubik's Cube, the next challenge for him was to solve it. There are 26 small cubes in a Rubik's Cube which are of same size and shape with different colors. And after a month, Erno Rubik cracked the code and solved his Rubik's Cube. In those days, it was called the Magic Cube, but then it changed into the Rubik's Cube. There are over 43 quintillion ways to solve the Rubik's Cube, and in each solve, the common number of moves used to solve the Rubik's Cube is 20, also known as the God's number. There are many advantages of solving a Rubik's Cube. It improves our memory, improves problem solving skills, it keeps our mind active, and also improves our speed. In the Corona holidays, I was interested in the Rubik's Cube, and then I bought one. But at first, I was not able to solve it. Then I tried very hard, watched many tutorials, read many books, and at last, I was able to solve the Rubik's Cube. At first, it took me more than 5 minutes to solve it, and then I practiced and was able to solve it between 1 to 2 minutes. Now, I would like to show you how I solved the Rubik's Cube. Here you can see a solved Rubik's Cube. Now my sister is going to scramble it and give it to me. Here you can see a scrambled Rubik's Cube and the timer is set here. Now I am going to solve this Rubik's Cube. Here you can see I have solved the Rubik's Cube in 57 seconds.